that color. Then you're gonna flip it over. You're gonna flip them over until all of this is all fried up. You see that? That's what you're looking for. Yes, you see that? That one was in the middle. That's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for. So that's what you're looking for, my people. I'm going to turn them until all of them become like this. This is not burnt, this is just brown. We call this brown. You have to keep turning and make sure they get even fry around it. So look at this, my people. See that? They're all coming along. They're all coming along. You see how juicy these chicken look?